Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix sound or audio problems on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Let's start with the basic one. Locate your audio icon on the taskbar and make sure this is not muted from here. So if this is muted, because sometimes we forgot that we muted our volume, so simply unmute this. And then make a right click on it on the audio icon and select sound settings. From here, you just need to simply choose the right output and the right input. You can simply you can simply try on this one by one as to what output or input will work for you. And then close this and then go to the Windows search bar and type settings. Click on settings under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find system. Then you'll find troubleshoot. Click on that. Click on other troubleshooters. And here you'll find audio with a run button corresponding to it. So run the audio troubleshooter. So here what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So try running the audio troubleshooter and then close this. Make a right click on the audio icon, again select open volume mixer. Here, make sure that the sound for all the applications using your speaker or your audio is not muted. You can simply make sure that this is unmuted from here. So, this is something that you need to always make sure, because sometimes you have muted for the applications that you are using. That's why you are having or audio or sound problems on your Windows. Now for the next method, we also need to make sure that our driver is updated. So close this. Make a right click at the start button and select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the sound, video, and game controllers. And here you'll find your audio. Make a right click, select update driver. Now you can go with search automatically for drivers if you are connected to an internet. Now the device drivers for your device are already installed. But if you are not connected to an internet, make a right click on it and select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then here you'll find the available drivers on your computer. So if you have more available drivers, just simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Now close this. And after that, just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type sound settings. Click on it under the best match. And here you'll find more sound settings. Click on that. You'll find this window. Make sure that your audio is set as the default device. Click on that and click on set default. And then double click on the levels tab. Make sure this is not muted from here. So that's all the things that you need to make sure in order to fix sound or audio problems on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.